Hello, guys. Welcome to SKK Classes NZ again, and Happy New Year to all of you again. So, today, on the occasion of this new year, I'm just going to make one of the special video regarding one of the common disease mostly faced by lot of people, and this disease is known as depression. So today in our video we will discuss about what is depression, what are the main causes of depression, and what are the main signs symptoms of depression, and what type of treatment or you can say therapy that should be provided to patient or a person if he or she is suffering from depression. Okay, now the question arises that what is depression. So whenever we are talking about depression, mostly people don't like to talk about these type of mental diseases because people feel very shy that they are having this type of mental diseases. But this is not fair because if you are suffering from these type of diseases, you have to be very much you can say frank about your disease, because sometimes depression can lead to very drastic changes in your life. So it's better to be frank with your doctor or your physician so that you can got a proper treatment regarding the depression. Whenever we are talking about the depression is a type of mental disorder in which what happened, the patient is having a mood changes. He or she, you can say, lost interest or lost pleasure in every activity. He or she don't like to talk with anybody, even though the person who is suffering from depression, he or she don't like to go in the outside, don't like to go or chat or having a chit chat with your friends. And in depression, the patient always having a sad mood, and mood changes are very common. Sometimes he or she gonna happy, sometimes he or gonna too much depressed that even though he or she started crying without any reason, if he or she is a sufferer of the depression. We talk about the main causes of depression, that what are the main causes of depressions are. So first one, the foremost cause, you can say, the family history. If in your family someone is suffering from you can say depression, your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, so a lot of chances are there that you can got depression at any stage of life. Apart from this, sometimes the other diseases, like if the patient is suffering from some serious diseases or illness from the long time, so that illness can lead to depression. For example, if the patient is suffering from cancer from the last 2 or 3 years and he or she is not recovering, okay, so what happened, that disease can you can say put a lot of bad effect on the brain, and that can make the patient to got depression. Most important thing is the life events. I mean to say, if there is a loss of someone, uh, some person which is very much close to your life, okay, so that can leads to depression. For example, the death of any close relative or close friend or close parents like mother, father, any friend, that can also leads to depression, because sometimes people don't can't be able to, you can say, cope up with the that sorrow or with that loss. So that's why sometimes it can leads to depression. And other factors like drug and alcohol use, these can also lead to depression. So these are the, you can say, main causes of the depression. And nowadays I have noticed one very common thing, especially in the young age people, that if the any boy or any girl is having a affair or with anyone, or so, and they got any breakup, okay, so what happened, that can lead to depression. Although sometimes divorce, that can maybe the cause of depression if the person is unable to cope up with that loss or with that situation that he or she got divorced. So because divorced, you can say one of the social stigma in some people, so that can also leads to depression. So these are the main causes which can leads to depression. This is all about the depression and their main causes. In our next video we will discuss about the signs symptoms of depression as well as the treatment line. So till then, thank you for watching SKK Classes Answers Again, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay, on YouTube, on Instagram as well as on the Facebook. Thank you.